Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 4 divide 4 is equal to 1. Then again 3 divide 3 is equal to 1. Now 1 divided by 1 is equal to also 1. But this answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. So according to the PEMDAS rule, P means first priority is parenthesis, E means second priority is exponent, M means multiplication, D means division. Both have equal priority, okay? A means addition, S means subtraction, also both have equal priority. Here is a one division, here is one division, and also here is one division. All have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So first we have to solve this part. So 4 divide 4 is equal to 1 divide 3 divide 3, okay? Now 1 divide 3 can be written as 1 by 3 divide 3, okay? So according to KCF rule, K means keep, C means change, and F means flip. So keep this fraction 1 by 3 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And flip means flip this last fraction. 3 is equal to 1 by 3, okay? Is equal to 1 by 9. So the correct answer is 1 by 9, okay? If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.